Unlocking business success. A guide to SEO for entrepreneurs. Understanding SEO for a coffee shop. SEO means making your coffee shop more visible online. Think of it like ensuring your shop shows up when people in your area search for coffee on the internet. Why SEO for a coffee shop? Imagine someone nearby craving coffee. With good SEO, your shop appears in their search results, increasing the chances they'll choose your cozy spot for their coffee fix. Common SEO terms for a coffee shop. Keywords are the words people use to find places like yours, like best coffee shop. Backlinks are like recommendations. And meta tags are short descriptions that tell search engines what makes your shop unique. DIY SEO tips for a coffee shop. Brew the right keywords. Choose local and coffee-related keywords like artisan coffee, local coffee shop, or best espresso in your city. Create a cozy ambience with meta tags. Optimize meta tags with descriptive phrases, emphasizing your coffee shop's unique atmosphere, such as cozy coffee spot or relaxing ambience. Blend unique content. Craft engaging content showcasing your special coffee blends, brewing techniques, and any unique offerings. Share stories about your coffee journey. Neighborhood connection. Local focus. Highlight your coffee shop's connection to the neighborhood. Use phrases like beloved local coffee hub or serving the neighborhood community. Encourage reviews for customer engagement. Actively encourage customers to leave positive reviews. Positive reviews contribute to local SEO and attract more coffee enthusiasts to your shop.
Importance of local SEO for a coffee shop. Local SEO strengthens your coffee shop's ties to the community. Being easily found in local searches fosters a sense of community connection, attracting nearby residents to your coffee haven. Local SEO drives foot traffic to your coffee shop. Appearing in searches like "coffee near me" ensures that caffeine seekers in your vicinity discover and visit your shop, boosting foot traffic. Local SEO helps your coffee shop stand out against local competitors. Optimizing for local searches sets you apart in your neighborhood, making it more likely that coffee enthusiasts will choose your shop over others.
Hiring professional SEO services for a coffee shop. Just like hiring skilled baristas enhances your coffee quality, professionals can tailor SEO strategies to your coffee shop's unique charm, bringing more customers through your doors. Conclusion for a coffee shop's SEO success. In summary, SEO is the secret sauce to make your coffee shop stand out online. Implement these strategies, and watch your business thrive in the digital world.